How to replace white spaces with underscore. I want to replace white space with underscore in a string to create nice URLs. So that, for example, should become I am using Python with Django. Can this be solved using regular expressions?
You don't need regular expressions. Python has a built-in string method that does what you need.
Using the re module. Unless you have multiple spaces or other white space possibilities as above, you may just wish to use string.replace as others have suggested.
Replacing spaces is fine, but I might suggest going a little further to handle other URL hostile characters like question marks, apostrophes, exclamation points, etc. Also note that the general consensus among SEO experts is that dashes are preferred to underscores in URLs.
Django has a Slugify function, which does this, as well as other URL-friendly optimizations. It's hidden away in the default filters module. This isn't exactly the output you asked for, but emo is better for use in URLs.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.